Cell number formats are a very important part of Excel. Let's understand what they are and how to use them correctly. The values in our cells can take on many different formats, such as text, numbers, percentage, currency, even time, and much more. These are all called cell number formats, even though not all of them are number-based. Number formats tell Excel exactly what type of data is on your spreadsheet. Number formats make your spreadsheet much easier to use and easier to read as well. Applying correct number formats will allow you to do so much more in terms of data analysis and organization and ensure that formulas are calculated correctly. Okay, in your Home ribbon, have a look at the number group over here. This box shows you the number format of an active cell. The default number format is general, which means that data will be displayed the way you type it. The cool thing is that whenever you enter data into a cell, Excel will automatically try to assign it the correct number format. Notice that when we type a date into a cell, Excel recognizes this and the number format box up here will update to reflect this. Now, sometimes Excel doesn't understand the data you have entered. If this happens, it will leave the cell number format as general. For example, if we type 1st April into our cell instead, you'll notice that the cell number format box still says general, which means that Excel hasn't recognized that this value is a date. If we don't correct the number format, this will then affect data analysis and other features because Excel doesn't know our value is supposed to be a date, so it won't treat it as one. So how do we apply cell number formats? We have the choice of formatting a cell before or after entering data. To format a cell before typing into it, just click on the cell and select the format you want from the drop-down menu in the ribbon over here. If you can't see the format you're looking for in this list, just click on More Options at the bottom and the Format Cells menu will launch and you can access number formats through the Number tab. Another way to get to this menu is by right-clicking on a cell, clicking Format Cells, and then the same cell format menu will pop up and then we can just click on the Number tab. Let's say we want our cell to be in the format of a number. Once we've selected this, we can further specify how we want our numbers to appear. By default, numbers are displayed correct to 2 decimal places, but you can always adjust this over here. Let's leave our number at 2 decimal places, but let's choose to include commas to separate thousands. Our cell is now in number format. If we now type a number into the cell, it will automatically be standardized to this format. So a number entered will be shown to 2 decimal places and commas will be added to separate thousands where applicable. It's important to note that when you apply number formatting to cells, the data in cells doesn't change. Excel simply changes the way the data is displayed. The actual value that was entered into the cell will be shown in the formula bar. This cell we have selected has the number format applied to 2 decimal places. Notice that the value in the formula bar is actually to 4 decimal places. This was the original value entered, but we had chosen to display our number to 2 decimal places. Number formatting is often chosen for consistency and calculation purposes.